Me kai aka kama ka?
I rented a farm from Gidandogo bush there in April. I start work there in April. Ending of April, when I'm working there, and also kidnapper come meet me at the farm. When they carry me out, they said that they are going to keep me unless I pay before I come out. And now they say I'm only a farmer. I just come here to farm a food that can help my children. I don't have any money. Let them help me. The narco say, okay, they will give me 2 options. Because this is my farm here, if I will always supply legacy for them, they will allow me to do my farm. They cannot harm me. Their legacy, they bring Hollandia yogurt, sometimes bread, minerals, sometimes and Martina. I will supply for them. They now come begin to start to send me again the money to give to their people.
Which kind of money? Is it not ransom that you send to their family?
So the money that they give me, I collected and give their people. They now come ask me, say, why they are giving me a money like this, huge amount, like 5 million, to go give person, but I still carry the money, go give. I say, because this is not the money that I'm finding for my life. My own money was a farm. If I farm, what I get for farm, that's what I'm going to use. But the money, I don't know where the money from, I cannot feel use it. I hate the Oga come see me like that, he now come out 200,000 and dash me. He say, I'm a good man to him.
Why and why do you supply money to?
Zuba. Apply for POS is the first time is 1 million naira at transfer to POS. The second time again is 300,000. The third one is 100,000. I supply for them. They now tell me that as the case, I did not chop their money. I did not collect their money run. So let me continue do my farm work. Nothing can harm me.
Apart from supply logistics, are you not taking their bandit members to the camp?
If you get a time that I'm in the farm, they now call me. Let me go back to the junction. They get some people that they want to enter inside. They want to go meet them. I now carry my bike and pick them at junction, bring it to them.
Which kind of people?
Sometimes those ones seen that they are doctors.
Doctors to treat their wounded patients.
They treat their wounded patients for that bush.